so in this tutorial, I want to talk about when your client asks you or requests for you to choose fabric colors for him. Yeah, this video can be used for a female as well. Now, but basically what we're talking about is for male outfits. So when your customer asks you to choose fabric colors for him, there are some important things you need to consider. One is the texture of the fabric. Some clients prefer to have a very soft cotton fabrics, while some prefer to have something thick, while some will prefer to have something in between. So you need to ask them what they prefer. Is it going to be a thick cotton fabric or light cotton or something in between? While some will ask you to suggest, and this is especially particular to those that are living abroad. And if you don't get the texture they are looking for, they might not really want it. And also depends on the season they always want to wear this outfit. Is it during the winter, during the summer, or if they're in Nigeria or Africa country, is it during the rainy season or during the dry season as well? So the texture of the fabric you are going to buy for your clients are very essential. Now, after knowing the texture you want, the next you want to know is the quality of the material. Now, some persons do have love for exorbitant materials, high expensive materials that are expensive. Some clients do have love for them. They don't mind using their last card to procure quality materials, like they prefer to sew once and for a very long time. So the quality of material comes next, and after you have gotten to know the level of their taste in terms of quality, now the next is material durability. Now, how durable it is. Now, some persons will confuse material being of high quality and being durable. There's some fabrics that are expensive but they're not durable, right? So the material durability comes in the third place for you to know how durable they are. But then, if your customer is working on budget, if he is a budget customer, like they have a certain range of money or price they want to spend in this outfit, you can go ahead and recommend for them. Now, when recommending, you have to recommend fabrics that are like 3-in-1. They are not expensive, they are good quality, and they're also durable. And those materials can range from Irish, virgin wool. Now, don't go for stock materials. Now, there are some bell fabrics that are still very high quality, that are good. Some bell fabrics as well are fabrics that possibly some custom officers seized in the wharf, and it was now brought out through the back door and being sold for as cheap as 2,025. So if you are going for bell fabrics, make sure you pick the quality ones. They have a bell fabric that you can buy that you will never believe that this is a bell fabric. So if you are going to pick for your clients, make sure you have this high taste of picking good fabrics. Don't just pick anything you see in the market. And most times these fabric sellers, they have a way of pushing fabrics to your hand, trying to convince you even to buy what you know that is not good. But they will tell you it's good, they buy it. People use order, it's a lie. Don't buy except you're convinced, or except you don't have a taste and you go for recommendation, and then they will not recommend for you, right? So that's for that. Now, right here, I will show you the fabric I got for my client, and they are of good quality, not too expensive, and they're also durable, right? So I will show you, give you a look for materials now. So these are the materials I have for my clients. Now, this fabric has a good texture, a very good texture. It is not too hard, it's not too soft, it is not too expensive, it is highly durable, right? And the fabric name here I have is this is Irish, right? So I prefer using Irish and virgin wool to go about my, okay, sorry, this is virgin wool, not Irish, this is virgin wool, and these ones are Irish. Now, Irish do have this particular pattern of having imprint stripes or designs in the fabric. So they'll always have this kind of nature of outfit. So these are the colors I picked, and these are how all of them came out. And this right here is still virgin wool, right? So now, when you are picking colors as well, as you can observe, my customer wanted me to select for him So I make sure I avoid red. Right now, why am I avoiding red? Because red has tendency of shedding color or bleeding. So I always make sure I avoid red recommendations of my client, except when they request for red. Then I will now make sure I go for a very high quality fabric that the red will not bleed. Right. So these fabrics here are very good quality. I bought a yard of virgin wool for 4,000 naira, and I bought 4 yards, and I'm having 12K per each of these outfits, right? So now, when you have gotten to know that these are the systems or these are the criteria you choose, now you also make sure you avoid some colors. Now, colors like red, lemon green, because these colors, red in particular, used to drop color, used to fade, while lemon green is not everybody's color. Like, people that wear lemon green are possibly their uniform, or they have a reason they're wearing lemon green, or they just like the color for that particular time, right? So when you are recommending colors for your client, please make sure you recommend mature colors that are not like something you can, like, that's not shouty. That's just the word. That's not shouty. Mature colors that when they put it on, they will look corporate. Colors like champagne gold, black, navy blue, coffee brown, pipe ash, deep ash, wine red, mature and white, mature off-white, cream, custard yellow. So these are the colors that people might easily like. So I know why I'm saying this for you, because most people don't even know, most tailors don't know their left from the right when it comes to fabric selection and quality, colors and selection. So that's why I'm making this video for some of us out there, that this video might help. So if you have find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. So let me cutting process. So I will start cutting these lovely colors for my clients. So guys, bye bye for now. Please like this video, share and comment. Bye for now.